friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vikas Nitsa and my channel name is MATLAB Lab. So in today's video we are going to see how to design a low pass filter using a rectangular window. So how to design it? So for that, first open your MATLAB software. In MATLAB, open your editor window and start the programming. The heading is nothing but low pass filter design using rectangular window. So how to design it is very simple. Initially we can write clear all, close all, okay, and CLC, that is clear the command window. We are designing low pass filter, so we have to define the whatever the cutoff frequency. So for that I will write that is a omega c, that is the cutoff frequency. So I will take 0.5 into pi is a cutoff frequency. Then I will take number of samples 25. Then I have to define the alpha as per the design. So the design is nothing but n minus 1 divided by 2 is the value of alpha. Then I have to define the value of epsilon, that is a 0.001. Then I have to define for how much time period I have to design that. So that is n is equal to 0 as to 1 as to n minus 1 sample. So whatever values I have taken, that taken only on the basis of a finite impulse response design. Then I have to define in a filter designing using a rectangular window, we have to define first desired impulse response. Then and then only you can find you can design a low pass filter using rectangular window. So for that desired impulse response is equal to, in bracket sine, again in bracket omega c, into again in bracket small n minus alpha bracket complete, plus epsilon bracket complete divided by in bracket pi into again bracket n minus alpha plus epsilon bracket complete. So next thing is nothing but window equation. So to write a rectangular window function. So how we can take a rectangular window? So in MATLAB there is one command is already available, that is nothing but boxcar of n. So the boxcar is nothing but it defines the rectangular window. So that is the command that we can use directly. So if you want some information, so just click and select help on selection. So you will get whatever the information about that boxcar command. So you can see the boxcar still works but may be removed in the future. Use rect. So 2014 MATLAB, so the command is available boxcar, but in a new MATLAB they defined a new command for a rectangular window, that is nothing but rectwin. So RECTWIN. So you can use that also. Okay, still this command is work in my MATLAB, so I can use this boxcar. So then I have to use whatever the impulse response. So how to find out the impulse response? So simply I have to multiply whatever the rectangular window with desired impulse response. So before multiply I have to give the dot. So here you can see I have taken a WR dash, that is nothing but whatever window values are there that is in row that I have to convert into the column. So that why I have taken in, that is a WR dash. Then so finally we have to calculate the transfer function for that is nothing but the low pass filter design. So how to calculate it? You can take H is equal to the command frequency Z, so it will convert whatever the impulse response is there in a frequency form, means H of Z form, that is nothing but transfer function. So for transfer function you can see the command is available, that is HN. So then I can take 1. Basically I am defining the name and the whatever the frequency. Finally I can plot omega divided by pi comma absolute of H bracket complete. Okay, and simply go to the editor options, just click on run. Then you can save the file. Okay, you can see there is one problem in command. What is the problem? Okay, you can see this is a low pass filter. Okay, so whatever the absolute graph of that transfer function, that is nothing but magnitude spectrum. So like this you can design a low pass filter using rectangular window. If you want to take a printout, then just go to the file option, just go to the edit options and just click on the figure property. Select figure color as a white, so you will get a white background, so you will get a proper printout. So just click on file and print. Okay, so I hope now you understand how to design a low pass filter using rectangular window. If you like, then please subscribe my channel, share this video, and if you have any doubt, then please comment on my video. So thank you everyone.